Indulge in the complete grooming experience with our Platinum head-to-toe bundle. This comes with 3 of our beard and body washes that are sulfate, paraben and silicone-free, including Rugged, a refreshing blend of peppermint, spearmint and clary sage, Staunch, a masculine cologne with citrus and lavender notes, and Brawny with an earthy cedarwood scent balanced with lemon and myrtle. You'll also elevate your shower experience with our invigorating coffee scrub that buffs away dead skin cells and leaves your skin feeling refreshed and nourished. This also includes 3 of our award-winning aluminium-free natural deodorants, including tobacco and vanilla, herbal, and spice. You'll also have the perfect product for every hairstyle, with our Australian matte clay that has a matte finish, a strong hold, and is perfect to modernize classic styles like a slick back or a pompadour. Our traditional pomade for a classic, polished style. Our hairstyling powder will give you volume and lift. A natural matte cream with a natural and textured look, and our sea salt texture spray for effortless beachy waves. You can tame and style your mustache with our old-time moustache wax, featuring an intoxicating blend of Caribbean Bay rum and cinnamon clove. Finally, you can cultivate a magnificent beard with our complete beard range. Our original beard oil will nourish and hydrate the skin under your beard. Gin and tonic with its lemon, lime and basil scent profile. Our award-winning tobacco and vanilla beard oil. Our limited edition beard oil, which is a unique collaboration with Victor Bravo. And our original beard balm that will protect, condition and style your beard for an incredible, lush look. This Platinum bundle has everything you need to look and feel your best. Visit thebeardedchap.com today to get 47% off the Platinum head-to-toe grooming bundle.